Welcome to Yes, I Can Do It. Transform your financial future. Financial independence starts here. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Yes, I Can Do It. Today, we'll discuss the best 20 stocks under $50 for massive profits by 2025. I've done the research to bring you the most promising stocks that are affordable and have great growth potential. Let's dive in. Finding high-quality stocks under $50 can maximize your returns without breaking the bank. These companies have strong fundamentals and exciting growth prospects, making them perfect candidates for your portfolio. So grab your notebook and get ready to take some notes. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Palantir Technologies. Ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir provides advanced data analytics solutions critical for businesses leveraging data for decision-making. Their technology offers actionable insights that drive efficiency and growth. Government contracts, including with the Department of Defense, highlight their reliability. The stock trades under $50, an attractive entry point for investors. Currently, Palantir's share price is around $25, with projections estimating it could reach $75 by 2025. Chapter 2. Zoom Video Communications. Ticker symbol ZM. With the rise of remote work, Zoom has become a leader in video conferencing. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated remote work, making Zoom a household name. Zoom's user-friendly platform has gained a massive user base. Despite volatility, Zoom's stock is under $50, a good buying opportunity. As Zoom expands its offerings, its growth potential remains strong. Currently, Zoom's share price is around $45. Analysts project it could reach $80 by 2025, making it a promising investment. Moving on, we have Ford Motor Company, ticker symbol F. Ford is transitioning to electric vehicles, capitalizing on the demand for sustainable transport. Their lineup includes the Mustang Mach-E and the all-electric F-150 Lightning. These models have positive reviews and strong pre-orders. Trading under $50, Ford stock is a great opportunity for investors. Currently priced at around $12, analysts project Ford stock could reach $30 by 2025. Next, we have Nio Inc., ticker symbol NIO, a prominent player in the electric vehicle market. Nio's innovative battery-as-a-service model sets them apart from competitors. Nio is expanding beyond China, entering the European market. Trading under $50, Nio is a compelling investment. With strong sales growth and innovative technology, Nio is well-positioned for the growing electric vehicle demand. Currently priced at around $40, analysts project Nio stock could reach $100 by 2025, making it a potential high-reward investment. Let's talk about DraftKings, ticker symbol DKNG. The legalization of sports betting has created a booming market, and DraftKings is at the forefront. DraftKings' user-friendly platform makes it a popular choice among sports enthusiasts. As more states legalize sports betting, DraftKings' market potential grows. Trading under $50, DraftKings offers a promising investment opportunity. Currently priced at around $45, analysts project DraftKings could reach $100 by 2025. Next on our list is Clover Health Investments, ticker symbol CLOV. Clover focuses on technology-driven healthcare solutions, in high demand as the industry evolves. Their innovative approach has rapidly expanded their member base. As they grow and enhance their platform, Clover's growth potential remains strong. Currently, Clover Health's share price is around $7.50. Analysts project that by 2025, the share price could reach $20, offering significant upside potential. Next, we have Pinterest, ticker symbol PINS. Pinterest's platform for visual discovery is popular with users and marketers. Its engaged user base allows targeted ads based on interests. As digital advertising grows, Pinterest is well-positioned to capture more market share. Trading under $50, Pinterest offers a compelling investment opportunity. Currently priced at around $25, analysts project Pinterest stock could reach $75 by 2025. Let's talk about Snap Inc., ticker symbol SNAP. Snapchat's user engagement has been on the rise, particularly among younger demographics. Snap's advertising solutions, including AR ads and sponsored content, offer marketers a unique way to connect with their target audience. Currently trading under $50, Snap presents a promising investment opportunity. With its strong user base, innovative features, and expanding advertising solutions, Snap is well-positioned for future growth. As of now, Snap Inc. is trading at approximately $48 per share. Analysts project that by 2025, the stock could reach up to $80, making it a compelling buy for long-term investors. Next up is Roku Inc., ticker symbol Roku. Roku is a leading streaming platform that benefits from the shift away from traditional TV. Roku generates revenue through the sale of streaming devices and advertising on its platform. Currently trading under $50, Roku offers a great investment opportunity. With the continued growth of the streaming industry and Roku's strong market position, the company is well positioned for future growth. As of now, Roku's share price is around $48. Analysts project that by 2025, the stock could reach $120, making it a potentially lucrative investment. Next on our list is Roblox Corporation, ticker symbol RBLX. Roblox is a popular online gaming platform for a younger audience. Its user-generated content ensures continuous new and engaging content. Trading under $50, Roblox is a compelling investment. With a strong user base and innovative platform, Roblox is poised for growth. Currently priced at $45, analysts project Roblox's stock could reach $80 by 2025 buys. Let's talk about Lemonade Inc., ticker symbol LMND. Lemonade leverages artificial intelligence for its insurance services, streamlining the claims process and appealing to tech-savvy consumers. Lemonade's focus on transparency and social good also resonates with consumers, particularly younger demographics. Currently trading at around $45, Lemonade offers a unique investment opportunity in the insurance sector. With its innovative technology, strong brand, and commitment to social good, Lemonade is well-positioned for future growth. Analysts project its share price could reach $100 by 2025. Next up is Twilio Inc., ticker symbol TWLO. Twilio provides essential communication tools for businesses, allowing them to integrate messaging, voice, and video capabilities into their applications. Twilio's platform is highly scalable and flexible, making it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Currently trading at around $45, Twilio offers a great investment opportunity. With its strong market position, innovative solutions, and expanding product portfolio, Twilio is well-positioned for future growth. Analysts project that Twilio's share price could reach $120 by 2025, making it a potentially lucrative investment. Next on our list is PayPal Holdings, ticker symbol PYPL. PayPal is a leader in digital payments, benefiting from e-commerce growth. Their expansion into cryptocurrency and buy now, pay later enhances growth. Trading under $50, PayPal offers a compelling investment opportunity. With strong market position and innovative solutions, PayPal is poised for growth. Currently priced at around $45, analysts project PayPal's stock could reach $80 by 2025. Moving on, we have GameStop Corp., ticker symbol GME. GameStop's efforts to transform its business model and adapt to changing consumer preferences are noteworthy. GameStop has been expanding its online presence and enhancing its digital capabilities, which are crucial for future growth. Currently trading at $45, GameStop presents a unique investment opportunity. With its ongoing transformation and focus on e-commerce, GameStop is well-positioned for future growth. Analysts project that by 2025, GameStop's share price could reach $75, making it a potentially lucrative investment. Next on our list is Fiverr International, ticker symbol FVRR. Fiverr capitalizes on the gig economy, offering a platform for freelancers worldwide. Its user-friendly interface and wide range of services attract both freelancers and clients. Trading currently at around $45, Fiverr presents a compelling investment opportunity. With a strong user base and focus on growth, Fiverr is poised for future success, with projections estimating its price to reach $100 by 2025. Next up is DocuSign Inc., ticker symbol DOCU. The digital transformation of businesses continues, and DocuSign's e-signature solutions are becoming essential for remote operations. DocuSign's platform allows businesses to sign and manage documents electronically, streamlining workflows and increasing efficiency. Currently trading under $50, DocuSign offers a great investment opportunity. With its strong market position, innovative solutions, and growing adoption, DocuSign is well-positioned for future growth. As of now, DocuSign's share price is around $48. Analysts project that by 2025, the stock could reach up to $80, making it a compelling buy for long-term investors. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, like the video, and leave a comment for any questions you may have.